Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make eggplant and garlic sauce. This is a very popular, sweet and spicy dish you get at most Asian restaurants. It's so quick and easy to make at home. So the reason I decided to make this dish is because I usually get this dish from my favorite Asian restaurant. It's usually really good. I got it a few days ago and it was just too sweet. The eggplant wasn't browned properly. I just wasn't happy. And it cost me almost $20 if you can believe it. So I said, let me just make it myself. I have done it before at home, so I said, why not just show you? I've been sick, so sorry if my voice is a little hoarse. Beautiful Asian eggplant that I just cut from my garden. I'm using just 2 of these eggplants, and they weigh less than a pound total. This is such a quick recipe. We'll make the sauce first, and then cook the eggplant. In addition to the sauce, we'll need some ginger and garlic. That'll be grated. For heat, you can use whole dried red chilies or just the chili flakes. The amount you use, of course, depends on how spicy you want this dish. I make it medium spicy. We'll mix up the sauce and set it aside before cooking the eggplant. To a bowl, add soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, oyster sauce, sesame oil. Mix that up. We'll also add some water. Set this aside. Just trim the top off. Cut this in half lengthwise. Slice it diagonally, about a ½ inch thick. The only other prep is to grate the ginger and garlic. Heat up a pan. If you have a wok, great, you can use that. Otherwise, use a cast iron pan or a nonstick pan. Pour in a couple of tablespoons of oil. Put the eggplant in. You know the eggplant absorbs oil the minute you put it into the pan. Just keep stirring and saute until golden brown. This is perfectly tender eggplant, so it'll take about 4 or 5 minutes to turn golden brown. Cooks very quickly. You can see the skin is getting charred. The eggplant is golden brown. I like to make a little bit of space in the middle, add a tiny bit of oil, put the ginger in and the garlic, just cook that a little bit. It's grated, so it doesn't really need much cooking time. And a couple of the chilies. Now you can break it if you want, and that'll get all the seeds out, like that. We'll just mix everything. And add the sauce. Let that cook just for a minute. You could taste the sauce, and if it's not sweet enough for you, add a little bit of sugar. And that's it. It's ready. This sweet and spicy eggplant dish is perfect served over white rice. I hope you guys try this out and let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.